Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to import Telegram wallet to TonKeeper wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So in order to do this, you first need to come to your Telegram wallet. For that, you just have to launch your Telegram mobile application. And on the home page, you are going to see the wallet tab. If you are not able to see the wallet tab on the home page, then you can use the search bar in the top right-hand corner of the screen. And in the search bar, you simply need to search for wallet, and then you will be able to say this wallet tab. Now, once you do this, you are going to say this wallet tab in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. So over here, you just have to tap on it, and then you will be redirected in your Telegram wallet. Now, over here, you just have to tap on the Tone Space Beta option. Now, if you are not able to see Tone Space Beta option on the home page, then you just have to tap on this gear icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. And here in the wallet, you are going to see Tone Space Beta on the top right. Next to it, you are going to see a toggle button which you need to turn on. Only then you will be able to see this option on the home page. Now over here you just have to tap on the Tone Space Beta option. And then you are going to see the option of gear icon in the top right-hand corner again. So you just have to tap on this gear icon, and then you will be landed on the settings of this wallet. Now over here you are going to see the option of tap to view phrase. So if you tap on this option, you are going to see your secret recovery phrase associated with your Telegram account. So you just have to copy that recovery phrase from here. And then you just have to launch your TonKeeper wallet. Now, once you are in your TonKeeper wallet, you just have to tap on this wallet tab in the top. After that, you just have to tap on this Add Wallet button in the bottom. And then you will be able to see various Add Wallets options. Like you can add a new wallet, or you can even import any existing wallet. So as you want to import our Telegram wallet to TonKeeper wallet, you will have to select the second option of existing wallet. And then in this section, you just have to provide the recovery phrase of the 24 words that we have just copied from our Telegram wallet, one by one. Then you just have to tap on the continue button in the bottom. And then you just have to follow for the on-screen instructions in order to successfully import your Telegram wallet to your TonKeeper wallet. So that's basically how you can import Telegram wallet to TonKeeper wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.